Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this tea. I made it with a corn silk. This we normally remove and throw away from the corn. Is very good, very healthy, and can cure so many diseases. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make tea with it. The corn silk is very beautiful and can come in different colors. I'm back home and this is what I got, so let's make the tea. I'm going to transfer it into this place to rinse it. To rinse it in the water. Just to rinse it a bit first from a dirty place. I'll transfer it into the pot. Add about 3 cups of water. Cover and transfer to my stove. Let it boil for about 15 minutes and your corn silk tea is ready. I'll just put off the gas, allow it to cool down a bit before serving. You can drink this 2 to 3 times a day. Corn silk, when boiling, smells just like when you're cooking corn, and the taste is also nice. It has a little taste of that corn in it. And studies has it that it contains carbohydrates, fiber, minerals like calcium, iron, sodium, potassium, zinc, and the chloride. It also contains protein.